Oh my goodness, look at this weather. It's absolutely gorgeous. 52, 53 degrees. We will take it for December. You guys know that I do biking, right? It's a big part of my channel. And one of the problems I had was recently with a frame bag from Ortlieb. So I'm going to show you that real quick. In essence, the frame bag that I had some real issues. The issue started with the zipper. One of the teeth broke off, and it wasn't by anything that I knowingly did. It just seemed like it got harder to open and close, and the zipper got to where it just was catching, and at one point a tooth broke off. Well, if you know how that works with these zippers, at that point it's only going to get worse, right? So if you know anything about Ortlieb as a company, they have a warranty. It's a 5-year warranty, I believe it is, on their products. And I had a question as to whether or not they would really stand up and fix this, being that it was the zipper. It's one of those components that if it breaks, it's kind of ruins the bag. So I had read online that there were others who had had similar problems and that Ortlieb had taken care of it. So I contacted their customer service, and I have to say they were prompt. They were quick. They responded right away to say, hey, yeah, send us the bag. We'll send you a new one. If we can't repair it, we'll send you a new one. So I packaged it up, and sure enough, brand new bag. Frame pack. Now here's one of the problems, right? I sent it in, and what they sent me back was the small version. They didn't do it intentionally. It was an accident, but it was the wrong bag that they returned. So once again, they had to send the bag out again. I had to send the other one back. Now they paid for all the shipping. They took care of it. And in addition, they sent me a really nice sticker to come along with it. Said, hey, I'm sorry that we messed that up. But the point of the matter is that the company took care of it. And that's what you're looking for, right? If you're buying something from a company, you just want them to stand behind the product. And I have to say that Ortlieb has done that. Anytime there's been a problem, anybody that I know that's had a problem with Ortlieb, they've taken care of it. Point is, don't be afraid to reach out to companies. If they have a warranty, ask them. Just say, hey, what can you do? Because it wasn't intentional. These guys are a nice German company, make great bags. If you're considering a frame bag or any bags, I think Ortlieb is obviously a great brand. They guarantee they're waterproof, and they stand behind the product, and I am proof of that. I'd had that bag for just over a year, and to the best of my knowledge, I didn't do anything to damage it. I think that the zipper was just really just faulty. But they stood behind the product, and that's what you want in a product. So if you're considering something in the line of bike packing and or touring, Ortlieb products are fantastic. A company that really stands behind them. So they didn't pay me to say it. They just took good care of a product that I had already purchased. So thank you to Ortlieb for doing that. I hope this is helpful if you're considering buying bike packing gear. Give them a shot. They're a good company. They stand behind it. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.